Here I have Porsche Panamera for us, and let me show you how to configure your settings assistant system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you can navigate by using the left bar, choose here Assist. Under Assist, you've got access to Control or to Set. If you tap Set, you've got access to Setting Assistant System. As you can see, the first of the settings is Park Assist. So the parking sensor system, clicking this allows you to adjust the volume. So let me just tap it. As you can see, you can set the volume when you use the Park Assist. It could be loud, medium, or quiet. You can also use volume while parking, so volume is reduced when parking assist is active. It could be up to 5, or you can just simply turn off the volume. In my case, let me leave 3. Let's go back. You've got here also the line change assist, as you can see right here, the second option. So this is commonly known as blind spot monitoring. It controls the brightness of the LED warning lights located on your side mirrors. The high settings means that lights will flash very brightly when a car is in your blind spot, as you can see right here, but you can change it from high to medium or low. You've got here also line keep assist, as you can see right here, a system that helps you stay within the road lines. You can have the intervention time, it could be late or early. You can also change the lane departure warning, so warning tone volume when leaving lane, so you have to be aware of this. Let's go back. You've got here also access to LED matrix high beam assistant. I highly recommend this feature. This is advanced automatic high beam feature. The car uses camera to recognize other vehicles. It cuts off parts of the high beam to avoid blinding other drivers while still illuminating the rest of the road view. Alright, and the last one is speed limits. So traffic sign recognition. This allows you to active or deactivate the display of the current speed limit on your instrument cluster. As you can see right here, you can just use this checkbox to enable or disable this feature. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.